Brother, let me ask you something. Have you ever removed your car battery thinking it was a simple job? Many drivers do it without fear. But one small mistake during battery removal can cause serious damage, from blown fuses to fried electronics. Here is the science. Modern cars have sensitive electronic systems connected directly to the battery. The solution starts with understanding the correct order and preparation. Practical tip: never rush when working with the battery. Stay with me because the next segment explains why this mistake is so common. Segment 2. Buddy, this mistake happens because people treat modern cars like old ones. Years ago, cars had fewer electronics. Today, everything depends on stable voltage. Popular automotive sources explain that sudden voltage loss can confuse control modules. The solution is knowing what not to disconnect first. Practical tip: always identify battery terminals before touching anything. Next segment reveals the most dangerous mistake drivers make. Segment 3. Brother, motivation time. Learning before acting is what separates smart drivers from expensive repairs. The fatal mistake is disconnecting the positive terminal first. This can cause short circuits if tools touch metal. Science says metal tools complete circuits instantly. The solution is always disconnect the negative terminal first. Practical tip: use insulated tools when possible. Next, I will explain what actually happens inside your car. Segment 4. Buddy, when the positive terminal is removed first, a single slip can create a direct short to the car body. That sudden surge can damage electronic control units. The solution is breaking the ground connection first by removing the negative terminal. Practical tip: think safety first, convenience second. Next segment explains why sparks are a big warning sign. Segment 5. Brother, sparks during battery removal are not normal. They mean electricity is flowing where it should not. Electrical studies show sparks indicate a live circuit. The solution is stopping immediately and checking terminal order. Practical tip: if you see sparks, pause and reassess. Next, we talk about memory loss in cars. Segment 6. Buddy, motivation again. Small knowledge saves big money. Many cars lose settings when power is cut suddenly. Radio presets, window calibration, even idle behavior. Experts explain this happens when systems are not powered down properly. The solution is preparing the car before battery removal. Practical tip: turn off all electronics before disconnecting. Next segment covers safety for your hands and eyes. Segment 7. Brother, car batteries store serious energy. Acid and gas are real risks. Safety guidelines warn about eye and skin exposure. The solution is wearing basic protection like gloves and eyewear. Practical tip: never lean directly over the battery. Next, why charging systems matter. Segment 8. Buddy, alternators and batteries work as a team. Removing the battery incorrectly can stress the charging system. Automotive engineers explain voltage spikes damage components. The solution is stable disconnection order and calm handling. Practical tip: avoid touching both terminals at once. Next, we address modern cars and computers. Segment 9. Brother, motivation time. Technology makes life easier only if we respect it. Modern cars have dozens of computers. Sudden power loss can cause error codes. The solution is following manufacturer recommended steps. Practical tip: check your manual if available. Next, we discuss why waiting matters. Segment 10. Buddy, some drivers disconnect immediately after shutting off the car. That is risky. Systems need time to fully power down. Experts recommend waiting a few minutes. Practical tip: let the car rest before battery removal. Next, we talk about reconnecting mistakes. Segment 11. Brother, reconnecting the battery also has a correct order. Science shows reconnecting positive first reduces accidental grounding. The solution is positive on first, negative last. Practical tip: tighten terminals securely but not aggressively. Next, we discuss loose connections. Segment 12. Buddy, motivation again. Careful work builds confidence. Loose terminals cause voltage drops and starting issues. Electrical experts link loose connections to warning lights. The solution is proper tightening and inspection. Practical tip: wiggle test after reconnecting. Next, we talk about battery placement. Segment 13. Brother, batteries must sit firmly in their tray. Movement causes cable stress. Automotive studies show vibration shortens battery life. The solution is securing the battery properly. Practical tip: always reinstall the hold down clamp. Next, we discuss tool choice. Segment 14. Buddy, metal tools without insulation increase risk. Professionals use insulated wrenches for a reason. The solution is simple preparation. Practical tip: wrap tool handles if insulation is missing. Next, we cover warning smells. Segment 15. Brother, motivation time. Awareness prevents accidents. A strong sulfur smell indicates battery issues. Safety sources warn of gas buildup. The solution is stopping work immediately. Practical tip: work in a well-ventilated area. Next, we talk about disposal. Segment 16. Buddy, old batteries are hazardous waste. Environmental agencies warn against improper disposal. The solution is recycling at authorized centers. Practical tip: never throw batteries in regular trash. Next, we summarize key lessons. Segment 17. Brother, let us recap. Negative off first, positive on first, slow and careful handling. These steps prevent most damage. Practical tip: make this a habit every time. Next, mindset matters. Segment 18. Buddy, motivation again. Confidence comes from correct knowledge. Working on your car safely builds independence. Practical tip: teach these basics to new drivers. Next, final warning signs. Segment 19. Brother, warning signs include sparks, error lights, strange smells. If you notice them, stop immediately. Practical tip: when unsure, ask a professional. Now the final segment, segment 20. Final buddy, now you know the fatal mistake every driver must avoid when removing a car battery. One wrong step can cost a lot. If this helped you, like, share, and comment. Pingalamananda. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional advice.